I don't know, Sensational, like, I don't know, like, it's a look, but the texture of this one, y'all, she gotta go. She is drier than the Sahara Desert. I am not exaggerating, y'all. This hair is tumbleweed texture. You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fear out of you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. Forget it forever, never been in endeavor, pretending under the pressure. I'm here to bless ya, it's clear I don't wanna stress ya. You hate to party, but never forget my birthday. Birthday, work, hey, hit me where it hurts, hey. Hey guys, and welcome back to Outfit Care Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with a new unit. This one is from Sensationnel. I'm wearing it in the style Vice Unit 1 and the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs. So this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come with this singular HD lace parting going right down the middle. It also does come pre-plucked with the baby hairs, and yes, honey, it's looking pretty swell. The density on this hair is pretty full. Even before I finger combed it out, it was still more on the fuller side. Without it finger combed out, it was more along the lines of between 130 to 150%. But now, finger combing this bad boy out is definitely on the realm of 150% to 180%. So definitely keep that in mind, girl. If you plan on running your fingers through this hair in any way, shape, or form, honey, this unit is gonna blow up on you. Now, the texture on this, I am not a fan of, to be honest. I don't know what Sensational was thinking. I know the more that you do tend to finger comb out synthetic units, especially curly units, that the texture may change a little bit, get a little bit drier. But honey, I feel like even out of the backs, this one was more on the dry side, and I don't know what's up with that. Like, this is feeling like tumbleweed. Like, you see, look at this. That's what a little bit of manipulation. I'm not here for the frizz factory, y'all. This texture, I'm not digging it. So the length on this one is very long. I'm 5'3" for reference, and girl, you see this coming well below my boobs. So this is just a lot of hair in general. A lot of hair in general. Now this one is coming off small, medium, and possibly big head friendly. I did go in and adjust the straps, and it's fitting my head very snug. And of course my head is on the smaller side, so I do feel like if you have a small to medium size head, you can definitely get away with wearing this unit. If you do have a larger size head, I would probably stray on the side of caution, but I think this is one you could possibly get away with wearing. You can heat this one between 350 to 400 degrees, so let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My number one con with this unit is going to be the texture. Honey, I have not even been wearing this bad boy for an hour, and the texture is just super dry. The tangling, the shedding is serious. Like, it is serious. Yeah, so I don't see this lasting a good amount of time because, honey, I am not a fan of all of that shedding. I'm all ready to pack this one in and put it in the box because I cannot see wearing this outside, especially at this length. This bad boy needs to be cut down. Also, actually, my other con, I wasn't really the biggest fan of it just straight down and out. I kind of felt like it was just way too much hair even before I finger combed it out. So I just felt like my face was getting lost in it. Maybe it would have helped if I went in and cut some layers in it, but like I said, honey, this is like a lot of hair, so I really wasn't the biggest fan of it. With the middle part, I feel like some of y'all out there could probably make this look cute, but for me,
me. It was just a little bit too overwhelming for my liking, so I really wasn't a big fan of it just straight out. But that's probably pretty much it. My pros on this unit are I really am a fan of the hairline and just kind of the way that it's laying in these ponytails. I like this this look and the fact that it's a center part unit, but I was able to make it like kind of look like believable with the space bands. So I am here for that. I'm here for the baby hairs, the lace. I feel like that's pretty good. As a whole, I probably would not pick this unit up again because honestly, I feel like texture is like one of the main reasons why I pick certain units up. So due to the texture of this and it feeling like it's going to be a special occasion type unit, I wouldn't pick it up again. But if you're somebody who's just looking for a real quick pop on cute look, I would suggest it, especially because it is definitely coming off as beginner friendly. But if you're looking for a unit that's going to last you a good amount of time, I definitely don't think this is going to be it, just because like I said, honey, this texture is probably going to just be, it's going to be irritating your soul because it's irritating mine. Like, I'm ready to pop this off. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.